Welcome to Amazing 7. And today we are counting down our picks for the 7 futuristic technologies that are more cool than useful. Science fiction movies and other futuristic fantasies have filled out imaginations with amazing ideas of what things could be in the future. These stories make us want many things we can only imagine. And now scientists are trying to make some of them a reality. While sometimes these futuristic concepts turn out to be useful ideas, there are many things scientists are now trying to make because they saw it in a movie and not necessarily because it is at all practical. Number 7. Flying cars. Flying cars are one of those things that many people have wanted for decades and that some alive today had thought we were supposed to have by now. This all comes back to the strange expectation some people have come up within their heads, where just because they saw it in a movie and a few scientists liked the idea, we will eventually have it. The problem is that fantasy doesn't always equate to reality, even with advanced technology, and a flying car doesn't really make sense. The issue is that a flying car offers all the problems a helicopter provides without really offering any benefit in return. While it gains the ability to fly, this hybrid status is really the only thing it has going for it over an actual helicopter, which is more designed for straight up flying. If a flying car is not going to have good spots to land, then it has little reason to be able to fly. And if it has good spots to land regularly, then it has no need to also be a car. Airways would also quickly become clogged, requiring air traffic control. Accidents would be more deadly, and licenses would be harder to obtain, decreasing the practicality even more. Number 6. 3D movies. Every several years or so, a few big movie studios push for 3D movies to become a big thing again. The theater gets to charge a bit more money and you get handed these fancy glasses to look through. The novelty can be fun to see a dinosaur coming at you or something of the like, but most people don't go particularly out of their way to see one. This is where things keep falling through for the producers, as they really seem to want this to be a thing, but the consumers don't seem that interested. And there is a good reason why consumers are not really that into 3D movies. It turns out that a good quarter of people have some kind of trouble with 3D movies, even if it is only eye strain and mild headaches. This means that trying to make it the wave of the future doesn't exactly work, as you have already lost a huge part of your audience before you've even started. To make matters worse, some people just cannot see 3D movies at all, as they lack the proper depth perception to make it work. Number 5. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is something that many people like to think of as the way things will simply be one day. Many of them will point to books or movies where this was a reality, and all the researchers are now trying to make that happen. However, sometimes researchers make things not because they are that great an idea, but because they were inspired by a book or movie as a kid. But now they want it to be a reality. While these researchers and inventors may have their hearts in the right place, it seems unlikely that it will catch on anytime soon, if ever. The virtual reality we now have, the goggles, can give people serious disorientation, nausea, perception issues, headaches, and the like, which are not exactly good reasons to buy an expensive headset. However, even if we could overcome of all these problems and provide truly immersive VR where you felt like you were actually in the world, we would just be creating bigger problems. Virtual reality being so immersive can actually be a negative, as many parents, just as an example, like to watch their kids while playing video games. You cannot do things like this if you are truly caught up in a virtual world. Number 4. Robots with sentience mimicry. Pretty much every science fiction movies have robots of some kind of that have a form of artificial sentience, and they are usually some kind of sidekick to the human characters. They may be able to translate languages or have special tools. Usually, they are seen as so useful that they just follow the character around everywhere, and we really don't think about it. However, when you stop and think about it for a second, taking artificial intelligence and stuffing it in a metal shell that moves around doesn't help us that much. AI might have some uses in computer applications, but humans are just better at human being. And we mean even with science fiction tech. A researcher did a study and found that R2-D2 and his tools would be pretty useless in our world, and that if you put BB-8 in a desert, he would be worse than useful. Number 3. Light speed travel man won't help us explore space very much. Some people like to talk about the theory of light speed travel and how perhaps we could one day figure it out. Researchers are trying to figure it out right now, and they think there is some indication that they may be starting to get closer. Of course, this leaves us with the issue of making sure a human can travel safely at the speed of light and all that other stuff involved. However, even if they figure it out, light speed travel is unlikely to really help us out that much. In movies like Star Wars, hyperspace travel is called light speed. But unless these planets are super close together, they are doing something else than what we call light speed. You see, the problem is that in cosmic terms, light speed is actually really slow. If we were just trying to explore our solar system, it would be quite helpful. But beyond that, it wouldn't be very useful. Number 2. Heads-up displays clogging our visual field and annoying us. For those who were worried that Google Glass would get us all caught up in another world, or that Apple's latest attempt on Facebook's Meta will take over everything, you probably don't need to worry. Meta isn't exactly doing super well, and it seems that while people like the idea, when it comes to the actual reality of it, most people would prefer to live in the and not a virtual or augmented one. And this is evidenced by stats that prove the people just don't really like this tech, even when it does work. Ray-Bans made a set of augmented reality smart glasses especially to go with Meta, and it turns out that not only are people not using them that much, but they are barely touching the expensive product they bought. Less than 10% of bought glasses were used once a month, much less daily like companies hope. As for why they are not catching on, it is hard to say for sure. There are some tech problems, but most people are not using them enough to run into these issues. It may just be that clogging our visual field just isn't really that helpful. Whatever the actual reasons, the consumer demand just is not there. Number 1. Brain implants, scary implications and little value. Neuralink is something that brings up strong feelings in most people. Some think the whole thing sounds really cool and want one now, while others are nervous or scared by the whole thing. Regardless of how you feel though, there is no question that it is super cutting edge technology and it is something many thought we may have one day, even if the idea is a bit frightening. However, as this sort of device gets closer to being real, the fears about the problems with it are becoming less nervous hypotheticals from who are still interested in the idea, and more horrifying realities that should probably give us all pause. For starters, remember that this is an electronic device, so it still needs power, and that means a lithium-ion battery. As we don't have much battery yet, if this battery leaks, it could cause serious tissue damage to your brain, and it is hard to say how badly that would go for you. Even scarier, the chip could be hacked, and while it couldn't mind control you, there are still all kinds of awful implications at the very idea. Activities.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.